Hi, I'm Bob Hill. I've been a customer here at A1 Toyota since 2000 and bought our first of 10 cars. Had the opportunity to meet Dominic Galardi. He really made me feel very comfortable. I felt like I had made a friend in the dealership and became part of the dealership and was asking, what type of car I was looking to purchase. But he was asking me about my family, and when I told him about my family, he actually was looking forward to meeting them. And actually, I brought my father-in-law down at one point in time to meet him because I told him so much about him. And during the time that I knew Dominic, I learned a lot about him in terms of the way he operated the dealership and the way business has been done here at A1 Toyota for so many years is something that Dominic created right from the beginning. It's his legacy, it's a heritage of the dealership. I think he cared about his employees, I think he cared about his customers, and I think he cared about his community. I think he was entrenched in all those areas. You can't fake that, and he was very authentic in the way he cared about the people in his life. Since Dominic has passed, he's not been forgotten here. He's continually brought to the forefront his past, his experience, what has been done. A lot of the pictures that are up in the dealership speak about the success of the dealership. I think as Dominic probably thought of his vision back probably around 2000 when he was transitioning the dealership over to the staff and to his children at that point in time, as he looks down today and looks at the model and the way the dealership is run, I don't think he could be any more proud of the job that they've done here, maintaining that way of doing business, the culture, and his legacy. So for that, he should be very proud of the work that he did and the work that they're now doing.